what's going on today? We got something a little different than usual for you. We got ourselves a 2006 SS. This is a super clean truck. The truck only, so it's a 2006 and it has 50,000 miles on it. That's it, 50,000 miles. I mean, interior's in mint condition. Came to get American Racing headers, which you can see right here. So you can see there's the headers. And then the MagnaFlow, what part of the exhaust is that? Is that basically everything back from the headers?
Yeah, from the headers back.
Let's check up on Art and see what he's doing. It's like Art's pretty much got all the factory exhaust off. What was that? Yeah, it looks like I got all the factory exhaust off already. Ew, manifolds. Looks like you got one header on then, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, those look pretty tight. Yeah, they are. All right.
There you go.
So it's like what, a week and a half later now?
Very much, like 2 weeks.
2 weeks later. We got the whole situation figured out with the white pipe. Obviously the one they sent us was the wrong one, but we finally got the correct one. I don't even know if it's a, is it even a white pipe? It just looks like two separate pipes.
No, it was two separate pipes. It was
and this is what it was supposed to be from the beginning,
pipe,
huh?
Yeah, from the beginning, but they gave us a single white pipe.
Yeah.
So this is dual. It's got dual, and then it duals out all the way down to, see like that one, that's the old thing. It's 2 to 1. Well, this one is gonna be 2 all the way.
It's gonna be a real dual exhaust.
Yeah, it's gonna wind it out over there in the back.
I know so many hose clamps you got. Holy crap!
Oh,
So you put the entire exhaust system together.
And look at the instructions. I can barely see.
What is that, like 9.9 font or something?
Dude, I can't even see them with my glasses on. I need a magnifying so I can take a picture with the phone and just go up. It is.
But hey, it's all worth it because you got a sticker, man. You got a sticker right there.
You didn't get a hat. We usually get a hat from Magnify.
Oh, we got a hat? Well, never mind. That's garbage.
Some bullshit ass
It looks like you got most of it done though, huh?
Yeah.
I mean, you probably muffler and then axle back.
And then it's another 10 more clamp. We're good. I'm just glad that fucking express when we get it out of here.
This thing should have some decent volume then, huh?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, way more problem. Way more problem. Doing that, you gotta put it in all right.
Look at that mirror finish. Well, we'll let all those start all the finish reading those directions and piece this together. We'll check up on them in a little bit. It's been a while since we've done something like this. 2006 Silverado with a 6-liter in it, just basic mods. We did, I think it had an airbox when it came in, and we just installed a set of American Racing headers, 1 7/8, new plugs, new wires, and a MagnaFlow catback exhaust. Man, this thing has a big drive shaft in it, and trucks, I don't like going too fast on the dyno because the drive shafts can break very easily. So we're making second gear pulls in it, and I just finished. It's right at 327 Variable horsepower, 356 torque. My air fuel is nice and straight down the bottom, but I will say the factory injectors are maxed out. So, I mean, I would recommend putting bigger injectors in it if this guy is gonna race it a lot, or if he just wants to add any more horsepower to it, he's gonna have to put a bigger injector in it. Injector duty cycle's like at 98%, which is not good. You don't want it to be that high. But all in all, it was a simple little bolt-on car. We had it in and out, and gonna go do one little test drive real quick, and then it'll be ready to be picked up.
Obviously, you guys can see the headers are finally starting to smoke. It's about time.
Yeah, the truck is very clean in the inside. I mean, it's a 2006 with 51,000 miles on it. Most of these trucks have 150,000 miles on them by the time they're 14 years old. Again, it's only making 327 in second gear on the dyno, so a third gear pull with the converter locked up, it'd probably be 350s, you know, somewhere in that range. But we'll just make a quick little baby pull up here just to make sure shifting is good, and then it'll be good to go. More than I thought it would in first gear. But yeah, 1-2 shift was good, 2-3 shift was good. The MagnaFlow muffler, what I try to tell a lot of people, everyone has their own opinion, right, when it comes to exhaust and how their cars sound. But Corsa, I say, is more of like a European kind of sound. Borla is more of a deep tone, has more drone inside the car. The MagnaFlow, in my opinion, is the best all around. Sounds good when you get on it, but there's no crazy drones inside. Even for this truck, as we drive it, it's not crazy loud, but when you get on it, you hear it, and I really like it. But all in all, good little truck, simple little bolt-ons. I like it, nice and easy and done, and get it out and get the next one in. Crazy that it's been so long to do the 4L60s in these things. All the cars we drive now have 8 or 10 gears in them. It's weird having no 4 speeds like we used to back in the day. If you guys are new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you don't, give it a thumbs down. And as always, leave some comments below of what you guys think. Until next time, later guys.